वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार। आप देख रहे हो नेशनल सेंसरी न्यूज नेटवर्क का खास कार्यक्रम बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है एसपी कॉर्बेट गांव में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है एसपी कॉर्बेट स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बीच आपको अच्छी लगे उस बच्चे के लिए वोट जरूर करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। केवल सब्सक्राइबर और फॉलोवर ही वोट कर सकते हैं। तो जो व्यक्ति हमारे चैनल को फेसबुक पर देख रहा है तो हमारे फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो करें, और यदि हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल पर देख रहा है तो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है एसपी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Sakshi from 7th standard. Today I am to deliver a speech on the topic of Indian culture. India is a famous country all over the world for its culture and tradition. It is the land of various culture and tradition. It is the country of the oldest civilization in the world. The vital component of Indian culture are good manners, rituals, beliefs, values, etc. Even after the lifestyle of everyone have been modernized, Indian people has not changed their tradition and values. People here live peacefully in India by following their own culture and tradition. India is a land of many religions such as Hinduism, Islam and Buddhism. Each religion has its own set of customs, practices and beliefs. Because of many religions, we celebrate a number of festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Good Friday and Dashera. If we talk about languages, India has different languages which are spoken in different parts of the country. However, there are 22 major languages spoken in India. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Vanshika from 7th standard. I would like to speak over the importance of education. Proper and good education is important for all of us. It is the process of knowledge, skills, values, beliefs and moral habits. Education is necessary for each and everyone in order to improve knowledge, way of living as well as social and economic status throughout the life. Education is important in our life as it transforms us completely from inside and outside by changing our mind and personality as well as improving our confidence level. We are seeing a lot of social issues because lack of the proper education. Social issues like inequality, gender discrimination, religious differences and so many problems like this. Being well educated not only means to earn certificates and good salary from reputed organization or institution. However, it also means to be a good person in social life. We know that a lot of corruption, terrorism and child abuse and social many issues are happening around us. Thank you very much.
Respected principal, sir, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Priya of 7th standard. I would like to speak an important topic, and my topic is social media. Social media has become an modern society, particularly among young people. It provides a platform for self-expression and communication, but it can also have negative effects on mental health and well-being. Excessive social media can use to lead of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. It's important for young people to be aware of the potential risk and associated with social and to use it in moderation. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Very good morning, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to speech on the topic of importance of air. My name is Shweta. I study in 7th standard. Air is present all around us. We may not be able to see air, but we can feel it prevents in many ways. Like the swings of the branches of tree, we feel the presence of air on your face and arm. When we travel, this blanket of air that surrounds Earth is known as atmosphere. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Principal, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Deepika from 7th standard. Today I am going to share my views on the topic of value of time. Measured by hours, days, years, so on. Time is very important in life. No one can escape the passing of time. If the time is invested properly, it could be used to develop a skill. It is much more important than money. To conclude this speech, I want to say that everyone should develop a habit to complete particular task in that frame of time. The most important people in the world are very conscious the value of time. Hence, we should not waste time and try to make best use of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ishika, I am 7th standard. Today I am here to give a speech on
child labor. Each child takes birth in this world of the most precious and beautiful gift of the God. They are one who is going to the shining star tomorrow, but one of the important field affecting the children in child labor. It destroys the children both mentally and physically. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, respected sir, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Minu. I am from 7th standard. I want to discuss a very important topic. Of my topic is importance of water. Water is one of the most important substances that are needed for plant and animal. We cannot lead our day-to-day life without water. Water make up and not half our body weight. Without water, our organism in the whole will die. Water is necessary. Water is not only drinking, yet also for our day-to-day life without purposes like getting, cooking, and cleaning, washing, and so on. We cannot imagine me alive without water. Thank you. Have a nice day.
आदरणीय सामान्य प्रधानाचार्य श्री पब्लिक स्कूल चांडट पलवल, मैं मेरे जीवन के लक्ष्य में मैं आपको कुछ भाषण देना चाहती हूँ। अभिलाषा जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण अंग है। प्रत्येक मनुष्य के दिल में यह आशा दीपक जलता है। अगर अभिलाषा न हो तो वह जीवन में भार मात्र बनकर रह जाएगा। हर मनुष्य उन्नति करना चाहता है कि किसी न किसी व्यक्ति के जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ तो बनना ही होता है, जैसे डॉक्टर या संगीत कलाकार या अभिनेता बनना ही होता है। कवि, लेखक, कलाकार। अपने आप में अभिलाषा कभी बुरी नहीं होती। संसार में जैसे कार्य करनी है, मनुष्य की जैसी प्रवृत्ति हो, उसी के लक्ष्य से उसे कोटि प्रदान करें। मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ, विज्ञापन मेरा विषय है। फिलहाल तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि प्रथम श्रेणी परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण करूँ, विज्ञापन पर योगदान प्राप्त करूँ। मैंने अपने दिन की तकलीका बना रखी है और मेरे जीवन में जो भी प्रश्न है, मैं डॉक्टर बनकर समाज की सेवा करना चाहती हूँ। और मैं बड़े अस्पताल का डॉक्टर नहीं, मैं वकील साधारण डॉक्टर बनूंगी और रोगियों का पूरी लगन से इलाज करूंगी और उनसे दवाइयों के उचित पैसे लूंगी और अपनी कमाई का 20% अपनी दुकान की दान पेटी में डालूंगी और गरीब लोगों का मुफ्त इलाज करूंगी। और मेरे लोग मेरे अस्पताल को देखकर मुझे देर सवेरे घर से बुलाए तो मैं अवश्य जाकर दोनों हिंसक को देखकर उनसे पैसे लूंगी, क्योंकि इस कलयुग में पैसे भी बहुत जरूरी हैं। मैं समाज की सेवा करना चाहती हूँ और धन्यवाद।